Alright, real quick video, just charging up this battery pack that I built up using a little portable fold-up 45-watt solar cell, and you can backfeed it right into the 12-volt outlet. But right now in good sun out here on my back deck, yeah, I don't know if you can see the meter. I'm going to put it on there for you, but it's it's showing minus 1.02 amps, which is basically 1 amp going into the battery. It's at 91% now. I'm just going to let it go for a little while. At that rate, it would probably take 2 days to charge. But nonetheless, I mean, it's just, I think maybe it's even 40 watts. It's not a very big little portable charger, but you know, it just shows you can charge it with one of those. The thing draws about a ½ an amp anyway with the meter and all the other stuff on there, so it's really putting in about 1.5 amps, but it has to compensate for what it's actually using as well. Anyway, so you can grab one of these things in a pinch and throw it on there. Obviously, the bigger solar cell, the better. But yeah, that's all there is to it. There you go. Charge up your portable solar generator with just a little portable solar panel.